Imagine floating in the cold emptiness of space, surrounded by infinite stars, yet engulfed in perfect darkness. This cosmic contradiction holds one of the universe's greatest secrets. Why is space so unimaginably black when it should be blazing with light? The answer will take us on a journey through time, physics, and the very nature of reality itself. Let's start with what seems obvious. On Earth, daytime skies are blue because sunlight scatters through our atmosphere. But astronauts in space see something different. A sun blazing against an endless black void. This happens because space is nearly a perfect vacuum. With no molecules to scatter light, it travels in perfectly straight lines from stars directly to our eyes, leaving everything between in darkness. But this simple explanation barely scratches the surface of this cosmic mystery. Back in 1823, German astronomer Heinrich Olbers posed a question that would puzzle scientists for centuries. If the universe is infinite and filled with infinite stars, why isn't every point in the night sky as bright as the surface of a star? Every direction we look should eventually land on a star's surface, making the entire night sky glow with stellar brilliance. Yet we look up and see darkness punctuated by pinpricks of light. This became known as Olbers Paradox. The solution to this paradox reveals fundamental truths about our universe. First, we now know the universe isn't infinitely old. It began with the Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago. This means light from the most distant stars hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. We're essentially living inside an expanding sphere of visible light, with more distant stars still hidden beyond our cosmic horizon. But there's an even more fascinating piece to this puzzle. The universe isn't just sitting still. It's expanding at an accelerating rate. This expansion stretches the very fabric of space-time, causing light from distant galaxies to redshift into longer wavelengths. Many stars' light has shifted right out of the visible spectrum into infrared and microwave radiation that our eyes can't detect. What was once visible starlight is now invisible to us, contributing to the apparent darkness. Consider this mind-blowing fact. The cosmic microwave background radiation that fills all of space is actually the red-shifted afterglow of the Big Bang itself. In a very real sense, the entire universe is glowing, just at wavelengths we can't see without special instruments. The darkness we perceive is actually an illusion created by the limits of human vision. The structure of the universe adds another layer to this mystery. Even with hundreds of billions of galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, space is overwhelmingly empty. The average distance between stars is so vast that most sightlines from Earth end in nothingness. Add to this the light-blocking effect of cosmic dust and gas clouds, and you get a sky that's mostly dark with scattered points of light. Our biological limitations play a role too. Human eyes detect only a tiny sliver of the electromagnetic spectrum, what we call visible light. Most stellar radiation comes in forms we can't see: ultraviolet, X-rays, radio waves. If we could see all wavelengths, the night sky might appear completely different, perhaps even glowing with energy. The darkness of space isn't just an absence, it's a cosmic message. It tells us the universe had a beginning. It reveals that space itself is stretching. It shows us that light has a speed limit. Most remarkably, it demonstrates that we're seeing only a fraction of what's really out there. This profound realization changes how we view the night sky. Those dark patches between stars aren't just empty space. They're windows into the universe's past, markers of our cosmic horizon, and reminders of how much we still don't know. Every time you look up at the stars, you're not just seeing light. You're seeing the history and structure of the universe itself, written in patterns of darkness and illumination. The next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, that darkness contains multitudes. Hidden in the void are galaxies we'll never see. Light that will never reach us, and secrets of cosmic evolution we're only beginning to understand. The blackness of space isn't nothingness. It's the universe telling its story, one photon at a time.